You probably don't have the fancy and expensive equipment like these, but I can show you a way to use these other equipments which are very cheap and very affordable to get somewhat professional or semi-professional looks for your YouTube videos and your Instagram account and generally social media platforms. And this is how you do it. Setting up your camera is very important. I use very low ISOs to minimize the amount of noise I have in my shots, and I tend to shoot my images very flat to give me more control when I am in post-processing. These are some of the preferred settings I use when I'm doing my shots. Now you have to understand that light is going to approach your subject from principally 3 directions. The brightest light coming from a 45-degree angle to the face of your subject, which will be the main light. Now if you wear glasses, then you might want to consider putting it at the side of your subject to prevent glaring. I used the light from the window as my main light, and I was able to direct it to my subject using the curtains I have in my room. Now you must have noticed that the shadows are cast in one direction, and to soften these shadows you have to introduce what we call ambient light. This is light that is not pointed at your subject directly. So placing lights behind your subject is a good way to outline the silhouette and generally get rid of a bit of the shadows. On the same topic of ambient lighting, you can use this as an opportunity to introduce any aesthetically pleasing object you have in your room or in your apartment. In this case, I used my computer, and the blue of the lighting or the fans really matches with the theme which I have going on, so that is why I used it. One thing which is always important to avoid is overexposing one part of your image, and so if you notice here, you would see that one side is more exposed than the other, and since I didn't have any light that would fit in that particular spot, I had to improvise by using a garbage bag and just a bulb I picked which was laying around, and I am quite satisfied with the results. This is the point where we would like to get rid of the shadows on the face. Of course, we have to introduce another type of light, and this is what we call our fill light, and so it simply serves the purpose of eliminating all the shadows that are present or located on the face. One important thing I noticed is the choice of outfit determines how much or how visible you are from the background, and generally taking outfits that stand out make you more visible, and outfits that are duller in color make you less visible. Now this is what a slightly edited video looks like, and you notice that the colors are now popping and everything looks better. If you did find this video a bit educative or informative and you will generally learn something new from it, then please leave a like, a comment, and please subscribe to the channel. As usual, I will be answering all questions in the comments, so feel free to ask any question you have.